Mom, it's raining so much today.
Yes, Janvi, it is. It was raining yesterday too.
Mom, I have a question. When it's raining today, you used is. But when it was raining yesterday, you used was. Why is it so?
This is a good question, Janvi. When we talk about the present, we use words like is, am, and are. When we talk about the past, we use was and were.
How do we know when to use was and were?
Was is used for one person or thing, and were is used for more than one person or thing. Also, was is used with I, he, she, and it, whereas were is used with you, we, and they.
Can you give me some examples, Mom?
Sure, Janvi. Here are some examples. I was reading a book yesterday. He was very tired after the game. We were at the park last weekend. They were playing outside before it started raining. In these sentences, was and were helps us talk about things that happened in the past.
Oh, I see. So if someone wants to talk about yesterday, he will use was in case of singular noun and were in case of plural noun.
Exactly, Janvi. For example, yesterday it was raining too.
Oh, so when we talk about yesterday's rain, we say it was raining?
Yes, that's right. Was helps us tell about the past. Just like how you can say, yesterday I was at school, or last night we were watching a movie.
I got it now. Yesterday I was happy because we played a fun game.
Great! We were watching a movie before bed.
Thanks, Mom, for teaching me about was and were.
You're welcome, my dear.